What's up guys, Scotty G here from SG Fitness Foods. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lovely eggs benedict. Really simple, only a few ingredients. It's just all about your timing really. Alright, let's get started with it. First thing you're going to need is a saucepan, just with a few inches of water at the bottom. Put this on your lowest heat you have, smallest gas burner, and just let that start to warm up. Get yourself a heat-proof bowl. And this is going to be the start of the Hollandaise sauce, which we'll begin first. Now, separate 2 yolks. We don't want the white. You can use those later for some scrambled egg or something. And to these eggs, we'll add a good tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And a pinch of salt. And we're just going to whisk that together. You're going to want to whisk this for a good couple of minutes until it starts to thicken up. It will completely change, and when it's done that, you'll know that it's ready. So, get another little saucepan, put that on another hob. Again, not too high. And for this amount, you're going to want to use about 125 grams of butter, melted. So we're just going to throw that straight into the pan. And we're going to carry on whisking. When this is ready, the idea is slowly add the butter as we go. Not all at once, it's way too much, and you also don't want to overheat it. You can now put this onto the heat. The most important thing is just to make sure this doesn't get too hot, or you're going to make scrambled eggs. Start to add a tiny bit of that butter before it gets too warm, because again, if the butter's too warm, it's going to cook the egg itself. A small bit at a time. Take that off the heat for now. Keep an eye on that water underneath, just make sure it's not boiling. Or boiling too much. Now make sure you have everything ready for once you've done this, because after this sauce is done, you're going to have about 5 to 10 minutes to quickly prepare everything else before the sauce is kind of dead. Unless you want to put it in a flask or something like that, in which case it will keep for a few hours. Just a regular thermos flask. Add a little more butter. Careful you don't put too much in. This is a good workout for your arm as well. And it's starting to look like sauce. Yeah, I think that will do us for that. Make sure it's all mixed in. straight off the heat. Now, you can turn this up. You can poach your egg straight in this water to make it quicker. Personally, crack your egg in a little dish. Save you dropping it straight into the water. And if you add a little bit of vinegar into this water as well, what that actually does is makes the egg white stiffer, makes it hold together better. Now, your poached eggs are going to take about 3 minutes, and they'll be nice and runny on the inside. So, as long as you get them in there within the first 2 minutes, you won't waste any of this time. The bowl should still be nice and warm to keep this warm. So just give it a nice little whisk every now and again, just to make sure it stays how it was. Keep it moving. Get your muffin or bagel. Cut it in half and pop it in the toaster. And at this stage, if you want to season it, you can put a little bit of chive in there or anything like that. I'm just going to go for a little sprinkle of pepper. You could even put paprika in here or anything really. Just a dash of pepper for me, to keep it simple. Get yourself a plate to serve it on. And you can use anything for your eggs benedict. You can use ham, bacon, bruschetta, anything really. I'm going to go for smoked salmon and some Milano salami. And that's my favourite to do it like that. So that's how I'm going to show you to do it. Okay, brilliant. Now you can simply top your muffins with whatever you'd like. I'm going to use salmon for one, and like I said, some Milano salami for the other one. Just like that. Just like that. And now with your slotted spoon, rescue your egg. And just pop them on top. And there you go. And just top it with your Hollandaise. Beautiful. Absolutely delicious. And we'll just check. And the poached egg is perfect too. Okay guys, well thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. There'll be plenty more to come. And I'm going to go and enjoy my eggs benedict. Bye.